chat. Hello, chat.
It's Keenan in the caddy. That's probably a Chevy small block in there. Don't tell Derek from Vice Grip. Oh, that does look good. Man, this is horrible.
Yeah, how do you think doing the floor pans was? Yeah, you'd be surprised how little can make it hold. Like, it really doesn't need much for it to be secure. You look mega right now, dude.
Oh, actually?
Yeah. I want to show you these shots. Nice.
Yeah, it's thin up there, ain't it?
Yeah. Alright. A little to the left. Like here? Yeah, like there. Like right there.
Okay.
Go for it, keep going.
I think like right here.
Yeah, that should be good.
Okay, chat, it's me, Nathan. I have drilled a 1 3/4 inch hole into the newly welded steel so that the wiring harness can come through it. Mighty Fine Moran is right now what's he doing? He's putting some sort of spray paint onto there so it don't rust no more.
What's up, chat? So we just finished welding on the car. We got some frickin' dimes, dude. It was Nathan's first time flux core welding and welding on the car. He did a great job. Like, they all look excellent. It doesn't look that bad. I just clear coated it on that side. That passenger's pretty much done. And there was another hole on the driver's side. You can see underneath the gas pedal right there. I ran out of welding wire, so I've only done the bottom part. But once I get some more welding wire, I'll finish up the top. And the thing is, you won't see any of this, so it doesn't need to look perfect. It'll be under the carpet. So yeah, it sounds way better when you're driving, or at least when the car's on. It's not yelling at you anymore because you're not like, there's not a giant hole to the engine bay. Nathan right now is working on a secret project, doing a little inspection light, and we're about to do the distributor. New 1, 2, 3 ignition distributor.
Yeah, well, I fixed the switch. Look at that, it's really satisfying.
What'd you do?
Yeah, chat, what I did here was I completely took apart, dismounted, laid it all out over here, dropping bolts everywhere. Because this bad boy wasn't working. The inspection light. The Z is known for it. It's just like this, but it's part of the car. Bulb may have gone bad, the switch may have gone bad. Lord knows, right? The switch had gone bad. I took it all apart, tons of million pieces. It was like working on a watch, like some sort of Swiss guy. So what did I do? Switch was broken, replaced it with a nail.
Dude, that's so sick. It's actually pretty bright. I thought it would be terrible.
I thought if it did come on,
it'd be so dim.
this housing is so yellowed that it'd be cool.
Dude, that looks so, like, you could actually use that.
Illuminates.
Like if you were on this, oh. Yeah. Dude, like if you're actually on the side of the road, like that could actually come in clutch. Yeah, I might need to tighten up this. That can actually, has a range. Chat. You're in a 1, 2, 3. Dude, this camera looks so good. Look at this lighting and this, like, look at that, the quality. Dude. 1, 2, 3 ignition distributor. If you're installing it, this little bracket just slips on all the way. It allows you to adjust the physical timing with the bracket. We think. That guy down there, and this guy goes on here somehow. All right.
Hold up. YouTube. This here is the new 1, 2, 3 ignition distributor put in. We did the thing on the phone. This is first turn on test. And it starts right up like a charm because we are really good mechanics. He's gonna give it some beans.
It's like so smooth.
Move my truck later.
Drink some water. Yeah. Thanks, Dad. Maybe we should have dinner. Hello, Max from the future here. Currently editing the video that you just watched, and wanted to inform you that mere hours, minutes after filming that last part, my computer broke and I was unable to edit anything. So I sat on that footage for like a month and a half, which has been really irritating because the car runs so good. The 1, 2, 3 distributor completely made the rev range amazing. You can set these timing curves and have a rev limiter and monitor all your stuff. It is so cool. And I'll do a whole video in depth of reviewing it, and it is awesome. There's a few problems with it, but it's really not that bad. And the reason I can't show you right now is because the Z is having problems on its own. They have a big fuel leak. I ordered some fuel lines to reroute it, just do some tubings from the gas tank to the front of the car. But yeah, I just started spewing gas on my drive back from school. And then I also have a carburetor problem. I think one of the jets is really messed up on one of the carburetors because I'm just getting no power. Like, it can accelerate, but I'm going half as fast as I usually would. So I'm either going to do a carb rebuild, or what I'm more likely to do is I was gonna upgrade to get some Weber carburetors anyway. So I think I'm just gonna move that up the timeline. So I'm gonna save up a little money, and then, so I'm gonna do the gas lines, which I'll show y'all in the video. And then I'll also do the Weber carburetor upgrade, which I'm so excited for. It's gonna make the car look great, sound good, apparently very fast. You can make like over 200 horsepower with them. I'm very excited, and then hopefully just be zooming in the Z. I'll let y'all know. But sorry the video ends like this. I swear, it really kills me that you can't see it yet. But when you do, it's gonna be sick. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. I hope you'll have an excellent day. Peace out.